I'm JR Guo, and I want to talk with you about something we all face change. We know that the only constant in life is change. Whether it's a big career move, a company restructuring, or even a personal transition, change can stir up stress, anxiety, and uncertainty. The truth is that even positive changes, like a promotion or starting a family, can feel overwhelming. And without care, the pressure of transitions can erode our focus, our motivation, and even our sense of self. Personally, I've gone through many life changes, losing loved ones, outgrowing old hobbies, and making major career shifts. What I realized is that I really gave myself the space to grieve, to reflect, to process, or even to celebrate these transitions. And when we don't process change, the mental health toll can quickly and quietly build up. That's why I created this workshop, Mental Health Resiliency in Changing Times, from breakdown to breakthrough. This workshop is about giving ourselves and even our teams the tools to strengthen resiliency, reduce stress, and turn uncertainty into opportunity. Because together, we will explore trauma informed strategies, practice practical coping tools, and even learn how to use different AI prompts to support clarity and confidence during times of transition. When we support our mental health during times of change, change becomes less of a threat and more of a pathway to growth, transformation, and renewed purpose. So I invite you, please join me and let's navigate change not with fear, but with strength and resiliency. Thank you.